Hello guys, welcome to our channel Gags and Jay. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. If you have ever been to Calcutta, there is no way could have escaped the city's iconic love affair with street food. Kolkata's streets are indeed a foodie's dream come true. Today we'll be sharing the recipe of one of the most loved street foods of Kolkata that has also attained nationwide fame, and that has to be Kolkata's famous egg roll. So let's get started.
So we'll start with adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. So we are making it a bit of, healthy egg roll. Otherwise you can add 2 cups of, all-purpose flour. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of semolina, which is suji. Now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt as per taste, and ajwain or carom seeds is necessary, so we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ajwain. Along with it we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of refined oil. We'll mix it in a uniform manner, and it's my touch of secret. It's like we'll be adding handful of freshly chopped coriander, and we'll knead the dough. It should be a smooth dough. Coriander is absolutely optional, but I somehow tried it with coriander and it turned out really well. So you can even try it. So our dough is ready. Now, after kneading it properly, you'll see that none of the flour is stick to the glass surface. It shows that the dough is well knit. Now we'll be making it into 4 little doughs. We'll be dividing it into 4 compartments, and we'll be leaving it for 30 minutes. Now we'll make it round. We'll roll it and make a flat bread out of it to prepare the parathas. You can see the texture, it looks so good. Why to make some plain paratha? You can add up anything which you want. You can add up like kasuri methi as well, but I thought of giving it a try with coriander leaves. Make a flat bread out of it. Make sure your parathas are not too thin and not too thick. It should be of medium consistency. Thickness should be medium. Now we'll heat the pan and we'll add it. We'll cook it from both the side until it turns a bit brown, golden brown. In medium flame for 5 minutes, we'll flip each side and we'll add like minimal amount of oil, as we are making it in the most healthiest manner. Just brush it up a little. See, we can see that the both sides are properly cooked now. So we'll keep it aside, and we'll prepare all the rest of the 3 doughs. We'll make a flat bread out of it and we'll fry the parathas. Now it's time to whisk 1 egg with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. You can add some chilies as well, but I don't like it spicy, so I excluded it. Whip it properly Now we'll brush some oil. Time to add that whipped omelette we are going to prepare out of it. We'll add the paratha simultaneously. We'll press it a little so that the egg spreads up in around the paratha, and we'll cook it till that omelette turns brown, goldenish brown in color. Now we'll flip it. Now you can see that golden color has occurred. Now we can keep it aside and we can prepare the rest of the parathas, egg coated parathas. Now it's time to prepare the filling. For that, we'll be taking some onion, single chopped onions, not finely chopped, some cucumber, and some sauce. You can add green sauce as well, chili sauce. That's totally up to you. I don't like it spicy that much, so I used normal red chilies tomato sauce to give it a tangy taste. Tomato sauce is very necessary. You can add up chaat masala to taste to give that good taste to that egg roll. And yeah, for more and more of sourness and tanginess, you can add lemon juice. And lastly, we'll be adding tamarind chutney.
So now comes the real task. As shown in the video, fold the paratha exactly this way, otherwise the filling might spill off. And our favorite Kolkata style egg roll is ready. We hope you like the recipe. Do subscribe to our channel for more such yummy recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video. We will meet again next week with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.